Hello, my name is Cinzia Giannetti. I work in the field of digital manufacturing, also known as smart manufacturing. And I specialize in the application of artificial intelligence methods and data-driven technologies to manufacturing processes. Digital manufacturing is a broad term that refers to the application of industrial digital technologies such as connectivity, AI, robotics, 3D printing, and virtual reality to manufacturing processes. With digital manufacturing, factories are becoming more connected and intelligent, using real-time analytics to optimize the entire manufacturing process and supply chain, and ultimately leading to more sustainable factories. My research aims to support the growth and sustainability of the UK manufacturing sector, developing novel techniques based on artificial intelligence to derive insights and business value from large amount of data that is generated by these digitalized production systems. Through better use of data, manufacturers can reduce inefficiency in their production processes, minimize production costs and unplanned downtime, improve quality and yields, and ultimately leading to more sustainable factories. I work collaboratively with industries in different sectors and build a technology demonstrator that enable us to improve our understanding of the benefits of adoption of industrial digital technologies and their value.